Hi guys! Today I want to show you how I made $260 over the internet. In this video, you'll see how I turned $1,000 into $3,400 in only 2 months. You'll see me earn $260 live before your eyes in a matter of minutes. The exact method I use and that you too can choose to use to make money. How is it all done, you might ask? With a special strategy for online trading, specifically trading binary options. It's very simple and easy to use. Anyone can do it without any prior experience. So what is binary options trading? Binary options trading is predicting the rise and fall of stocks, assets, indices, and currencies. Trades are automatically closed after 5 to 30 minutes. After this short period of time, either you lose or win between 170% to 190%, which is an excellent return rate. So here's the method. It's very simple. We're going to predict the market trends using the M5 graph strategy. In the graphs below, you can see what market trends look like. So we've got 3 different kinds: the upside trend, the downside trend, the neutral trend. The trading strategy that I use is based on tracking trends, which is very widely used and recognized for its effectiveness. In fact, when an asset rises or falls when pushed in this direction by large institutions to dominate the financial markets, such as banks and investment funds and such. The principle of this method is only to realize that if the recent history of significant value shows constant increase, the likelihood that the continued increase in the near future is greater than the probability of change. Therefore, you should bet on the rise. Obviously, the same logic applies to decreases. To recognize a trend in a graph is particularly simple, but be careful with the type of chart used. In fact, this method is used for graphics with an M5, which means 5 minutes time frame. These are the trends that we can detect: upside trend, downside trend, and neutral trend. Okay, I entered the 24winner website, and before I log in, I would like you to see the variety of languages you can find here: English, Spanish, Arabic, German, Russian, French, and Italian. In order to start trading, I enter my username and password. My current account balance is $3,362. Now I'll go into a trading platform of option trading. There are 4 different assets that are showing the beginning of a downtrend: dollar USD, the DAX, Euro USD, JPY, and oil. I'll start with the DAX. I see a downtrend, so I think I'll put an investment of $100 here. I click on execute. That was the DAX. Now to the dollar USD. Here I'll put $150 and wait for the execution. Oil is another position I would like to buy. I'll put the same $150, and on the Euro USD JPY, I'll also put $100. Currently, my opening positions are on oil, the DAX, dollar USD, and USD JPY. Hopefully, the negative downtrend will go on until the expiry. I have another 45 minutes to see whether the trend that I entered was the right trend. I can open the profit line and see that right now this is the downtrend and I'm out of the money. But I'll wait and see whether the position I check will be in the money at the end of the hour. Now I can see a clear trend than before, and it's going down, which gives me more confidence on the positions I took right now. Now I'm riding on this trend. If on the expiry time, I will see that all of the 4 assets have expired in the money, which means below the entry point, and our profit will not be bad at all in a little bit less than an hour trading. I have another 25 minutes to expire, and I've just received a message asking if I want to take the profit. That means if I want to get out of one of my positions. This secures me a certain revenue. On the DAX, for example, I invested $100. I can receive $170 back with a premium of $30. I can take the profit right now, and I have an actual profit of $40. What I'm really going to do is, I'm going to use this option on the oil. I pay a premium of $45, and due to the charge, there might be a trend reversal. So from one of my positions, I'm actually selling oil because I want to be sure of my revenue. This is what I'm going to do, which leaves me with 3 open positions on the DAX and the USD JPY and on the Euro USD. I click on Buy. The old position, as you can see, no longer exists here anymore. I'm going now to my account, and I actually want to show you my settled positions for this day. So here you can see the settled positions for the oil, $195, including the premium, a return on our profit of $60. Let's go back to our trading platform to see how the open positions are doing. We have another 9 minutes until expiry, which means in less than 5 minutes until the option waiting for expiry. You can see all the positions I've taken are in the money and still in the downtrend. You can see the take profit option on the oil that was the correct decision because they are still in a downtrend. If this downtrend continues by the end of the hour, I will have a nice profit. Okay, so it's less than 1 minute until expiry, and as you can see, the downtrend is continuing with USD JPY as with the DAX and the Euro USD. With the oil, I've exited the position and I have another 5 minutes to expiry, as you can see here waiting for expiry. After these 5 minutes, you will see how much our P and L will be. With less than a minute, and the trend went even more to our benefit. Very clear, very sharp downward, as it looks like all of our 3 positions will end in the money, and the revenue I'll make here in less than an hour trading is really respectable. I have a little less than 20 seconds left. I'll wait and see how much this is going to get up. The current balance is $3,072. Expiry on the DAX and on 7,555 points, 22 ticks. Here I will take our $78 profit. Still waiting for the expiry on the Euro Dollar USD and on the USD JPY. Here they are. Let's take a look at the account, the closed trades of today. All of my positions have closed with profit, revenue of $70, $60, and more than $105 and $70. DAX was a really great deal, and I have a very good profit for trading time of less than an hour on every single one of these 4 assets that I've chosen. The trend is your friend. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was helpful, and spread the word.